What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton, Indiana on this beautiful Saturday morning. It's been a minute because we've been so busy, but we got a lot that we're going to put in this video, and we'll show you exactly what's going on and show you the reason why we're not making a lot of videos at the moment because of how busy we are, and we've got a special treat to show you here in a second as well. I'd like to start off this video to give a shout out to my niece in Biloxi, Mississippi. Hello, Larissa, the little hand puppet there. I hope you're being a good girl, and I will see you soon. So, saying that, we're going to show you what we got going on here at the shop. We've been very busy with the xpel paint protection film. It's what we specialize in. We are the leaders in Northwest Indiana. There is a difference. Give us a call at 219-628-0288. Come view our shop and see the difference. We're going to get more on that in a second. Right now, what we got going on here is a 2024 Chevy Silverado. This is the Z71 with the 6.2, the SR2 version. We are doing an awesome truck, by the way. I love the lines on it, how they changed on the front and stuff like that. But a beautiful truck. We're fully wrapping this in the xpel Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. But we're also doing some tasteful customization for this customer, so we can't wait to show you when it's done. Pretty much this whole side over here is done. A little bit on this side is done. It's a big job. But we're doing the cow hood here in the clear Fusion, and then we're going to be stealthing with the stealth from xpel matte on the hood. It's going to be nice, tasteful. Then we're doing the xpel XR Black full window tint around the whole vehicle, rims off, ceramic coating, and a bunch of other neat little things he's added to it. Speaking of ceramic coatings on the rims, the only proper way to do them, I notice a lot of people, they show in their videos around us here, whatever, they got the package. We use an xpel Fusion ceramic coating that is made just for rims and calipers to withstand the heat. It is a 4-year coating. We've put it on our cars over the last several years with our clients as well. We're always upkeeping the maintenance, and we've got some cars running on 5 years and still works beautifully. But the rims need to come off the vehicle, people. Yes, doing the faces is somewhat of a protection, but you need to take it off, clean the rims properly, polish the rims out if it's a surface that can be polished, but clean, and do the barrels. That's where everything takes the abuse, not just the faces of the rim, and get in there and get those calipers easier to clean. It's going to make them look glossy and shiny and shut off the dirt, protect your rims. Rims are getting expensive just like vehicles. So we will show this one as it goes along. This one's scheduled to leave for next week. Then over here we have the Audi 2024 RS3. I'm a huge Audi fan. Some tasteful differences that you'll notice on these vehicles, how they did the little vent on the front fenders, pretty nice. They changed the front end. The 2025 is going to look killer, so we're waiting for that one to come in and wrap as well when it's released. But this is the xpel Fusion full frontal. And then we're doing the xpel window tint all the way around in 20%. So the film is on this car. It's going to need a bath. Everything is trimmed and heat sealed. All edges wrapped. Our work, you can't even tell it's on. That's the difference. No cutout on the badges, the whole 9 yards. Then over here we just got in yesterday. This is the new 2024 Corvette eray. We've done a couple of these. We are specialists in the Corvettes, supercars, and hypercars as well. We do a lot of them if you watch our videos. This is going to be a full wrap with the xpel Fusion, whole car. Then we're doing the rims off with the ceramic coating, the xpel window tint, and then the xpel interior package protection, all leather, carpet, and so forth like that. So we'll keep you in line as this one goes along. We've got several vehicles coming in. We're booked out now to the middle of October just with PPF work. So we get a lot of calls. We just booked a lot more yesterday, and people are expecting to get in right away. I wish we could, but unfortunately it takes time. So when you get to a level like we like to produce our film, when you're getting your cars or when you're waiting for them, get on the phone and start booking now, because the more you drive them, you're going to risk getting rock chips and stuff like that. We like to get the film on when they're pretty much brand new, right when you pick them up. But we can help you with all that as well. We do amazing touch-up work if we need to cover a chip or something like that. So we also have some really cool vehicles coming in next week, but we'll point on those when they start coming in. But right now I'm going to take you outside for a moment and show you what's going on. So excuse the mess, guys. As you can see, we got a construction zone going on. So this has been a long time coming, but this is an add-on that we've got done here, and it's going to be done here in a few short more weeks. Then the whole parking lot's being paved. But what we have here, guys, like I said, it's still in the construction. Sorry for the echo that you might get on this feed that we're doing here. But this is going to be a state-of-the-art PPF room. Nothing like it in Northwest Indiana, period. Wait till it's done. I'm talking no water, no contamination, dust-free, HEPA filter system, and all of the units that are being put in here for our climate control. And when I say that, I say this proudly. This is the most advanced state-of-the-art PPF room in Northwest Indiana. I can't wait till it's finished. We're roughly about 2.5, 3 weeks away, and then this will be set up. From lighting to flooring to the proper lifts to get the work done. So this is going to come out awesome. We waited a long time for this, so we can't wait to show you. It just goes to show you that we are always upping the game to give you what you're paying for, which wants me to go to a part here that I hear a lot of things going around. So I'm getting ready to say something that if you've had your car wrapped in Northwest Indiana and you've been told that it's xpel, you need to get a warranty card. You need to get, you have certificates that it is xpel. You'll know when you go into the shop, you want to see it that's in the xpel box, but sometimes don't trust that. I believe there's myself, Northwest Indiana Customs, and I believe it's Cartex in Northwest Indiana that is xpel only. That's what they do. Any of the other shops that we've heard rumors and stuff like that go around, it is not xpel. Rumors of xpel yellowing, that is 100% false. xpel is a leader in the film and has been in the film market. You don't have to take my word for it. Do your due diligence, and how can I say this? Educate yourself. This is not inexpensive, it's a pricey option to get your car protected, and we know that. That's why we take the pride in the quality of the work. It will not yellow. xpel is the one that invented the glue for it not to yellow that a lot of these other manufacturers are now using. High-end manufacturers, when I say that. Suntech, Lumar, and 3M has come a long way from the glue yellowing, but xpel is a leader in that. xpel is also the first one to incorporate ceramic coating in their film, and they are the ones that invented the self-healing technology. Everyone else is basically going in and trying to mock that. So I just like to say that done. But one thing we're going to do with xpel is if you were told xpel was put on your car in Northwest Indiana and you were having second guesses, I don't care if it's just a front bumper or mirrors or the whole car wrapped. Bring it to us here at Attention to Details in Chesterton, our only location, not affiliated with any other business in Northwest Indiana. We will take a sample piece off your vehicle, and within 24 to 48 hours, we can prove 100% if it's xpel or not. And if it is not, we will wrap your whole car for free at the level that you see we produce out here. That's right, for free. Even if you got a frontal on your car for the inconvenience and the lie that you've been told, thinking you were getting one product and not the other. I hate that I have to even say this, but it is happening. We're working now with one that we're in the process of doing, and we'll film that once we get all the facts straight on it. But again, your car will be wrapped 150% free, the proper way with the product that you paid for. So if you have any questions on that, give us a shout, 219-628-0288, and we can get the process started. It bothers me that I even have to make videos like this, but it's going on because everyone now is getting in this game. There's different films out there. A lot of the stuff's coming out of China and Korea. And no, xpel is not reboxed. No, it doesn't come from China or Korea, which I've heard recently. It's laughable. So that's why I'm telling you, the consumer, you guys need to educate yourself. Back off a little bit. Don't take words from me or anyone else. Do your own independent studies, research it. In a few hours in the evening, you can sit yourself straight and know exactly what you're getting and why it is a difference in what film is being put on your car. Also, the quality of installs is the next thing that I see that sometimes it just blows my mind of what I see. We fix a lot of mistakes here from other places, and unfortunately they don't get their money back from other places, and the excuses, oh, this edge can't be wrapped, or you know, we can't wrap around corners, or the multiple reasons, or there needs to be a seam here because people don't know what to do to get to the level that we try to produce our cars at. So all of those things we can help you with, and we will continue to help you guys with. Even if you choose not to use us, come to our establishment. I know in the world we live in and the crazy prices that we deal with now, it's expensive, but you want to protect your very expensive vehicle you got. So we will help walk through that. We can make custom plans. You can start at little pieces at the most high impact areas and then build from there. But we'll walk you through all that process and show you the difference in what sets us apart to become leaders. I'm very proud of what we've got built here. I can't wait to show you the product, the end product when we're done in roughly about 2.5, 3 weeks. Work will be produced here. And like I said, we're booked out now just for PPF going into the middle towards the end of October, and constantly booking. We're getting cars from all over. So we're very humbled and proud that people are using us. A lot of our business is repeat car collectors. We have so many really cool cars coming in. I can't wait to show you guys. So anyway, I can go on and on about this, but please protect yourself. Don't get into listening to the bullshit, sorry for the language, but that's what it is, of the competitors with the film and why this can't be done and all of the crap you hear. Educate yourself or give us a call and we'll walk you through the process and show you what you're getting, what the difference is, and the quality of wraps. So again, like I said, I can keep going on and on about this. So enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Goodbye, Larissa. I love you. I will see you soon. That's my niece. So I just wanted to make this video to show you we got a lot going on. Thank you for following us, trusting us with all of your work and needs. For now, love and happiness. Peace.